Grady, and I'm here with my friend Chef Sue. We're both Irish, Black Irish. Just kidding. And we're gonna do some American Thanksgiving leftover food. All right, we're starting out with our 10-gallon tub of nacho cheese. I'm just gonna give this a little spread, edge to edge here on our baking sheet.
Just get right to the edge.
Also, all the way? Gosh, you sound like Marty. All right, now we're coming in with our fresh cut green beans. A Thanksgiving staple. We're just gonna put these right over here. These are the real nice kind made with sea salt. I'm just gonna give these a little spread, but don't worry everyone, I washed my hands. Alrighty, I've got my leftover turkey here. We just like to use all this good turkey. And if you don't like a turkey sandwich, you can just make this delicious, simple recipe. All right. Now, you can't have turkey without gravy, but of course, all our gravy was gone. So a good thing I have some jars of gravy around. And this one might be beef instead of turkey, but I like to mix my meats. Pat, what's your favorite meat, Chef Stu?
Brisket.
Brisket, oh, we've made that before, huh, Marty? I've got my Bob Heavens mashed potatoes, and these are so delicious. This is a sour cream and onion, but if you're not one for spice, you can just do the regular home-style Bob Heavens. All Bob does, everything he does is fantastic. I just love him. And we don't have his restaurant near here, but if we did, you know, I'd be there. Beautiful. All right, can't have Thanksgiving dinner without your cranberry. We're just gonna give these a little, there we go. Now it's gonna come out real nice. Perfect. Gorgeous. All righty, let's get this into the oven. All right, while that's in the oven, we're gonna lay out our chips. Chef Stu, do you want to do the honors?
Like here?
Yeah, just to start it here, and just pull it back. Perfect. We can just give this a spread. Perfect. That looks great. All right, time to do the honors. Easy Thanksgiving nachos. Yum.
That shit kind of looks good.
Kinda. What do you mean? It looks amazing. Grab one. Ooh, it's hot. I'm gonna get a green bean on mine too.
Cheers.
Cheers. You gotta try it.